As a rule, your hands will be behind. If you take your hands from the back. From last year champion, we have Sampad. Oh, one knockout. One knockout. I don't know whether he has some touches over Rondo. But slowly, my man.
Come on.
Don't worry, size doesn't matter. The strength matters from the heart and the mind. Round one. That's okay. Let's see. Round three. Ramandeep versus Sampad. Engineering versus laundry. My dear friends, you don't have sick leave tomorrow. You have to be prepared for your work tomorrow. So be prepared. The rule says your hands will be behind. Go back. And if you take it off, you're out. So we have engineering versus laundry. Wow. So once again, we have a champion.
හොඳ උත්සාහයක් ලබා දුන්නා රවිදු. ඉදිරියට හදනවා සම්පත්. ඒ වගේම අවසන් තරගකරුවන් තිදෙනා හැටියට කොට්ටපොර තරගයේ තිසර ඉරන්ත සහ සම්පත් ඉදිරියෙන් සිටිනවා.
So for now we have Tisra.
අලියට ඇස තැබීමේ තරගයේ ජයග්‍රාහකයා චමින්ද සොයුර හොඳ අපලසන් නාඩයක් ලබා දෙන්න.
As you see, they're keeping an eye on the elephant. We have my dear colleague Chaminda. So very nice. Please give a round of applause for him. Please. Wonderful. Up next we have breaking the clay pot. Babula from laundry. Well done, my friend. Please give him a round of applause. Please cheer him up. I welcome everyone. The dinner is also open. You can enjoy the food before it lasts. Oh, so pillow fight is going on. One shot, and once again, round is out. Let's see the round two is going. How it is going to go. We know we are the game of tug of war. Can you come and submit the names for the teams? Make sure you have a team leader to film and the win. The last round going Sampad versus Iranta. Engineering versus stewarding. Let's see. Oh, sorry, Lonnie. Wonderful. Champion knocked out. Who won? I don't know.
අවසන් තරගය 2019 අවුරුදු උත්සවයේ කොට්ටපොර තරගයේ අවසන් තරගකරුවෝ දෙදෙනා.
So from last year we had Sampad from London. Engineering Tisra. Wow. 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 Once again. He's on countless numbers. Sampad. So as you know, the buffet is open for dinner and everyone's hungry. You can go join everyone to eat and try Sri Lankan tradition food. Please go ahead. Who's going to win? Sampad or Tisra?
මේ අවස්ථාවේ තිසර ජයග්‍රහණය කරන ඒවාට එන්නේ. ඒ අනුව සමසම ජයග්‍රහණය ලබා ගන්න සම්පත් එක වටයක් ඒ වගේම තිසර එක වටයක් ජයග්‍රහණය කරන බලමු අවසාන වටය.
So it's 1-on-1. So the last round, whoever wins is the champion of this pillow fighting. It says size doesn't matter. It's only the size from the heart. Sorry, stomach. Wow. Oh, Sampath, once again the champion from housekeeping. Well done, my friend. You did it. Once again, he's holding the title from 2018 from 2000.
2019 වසරේ අවුරුදු වල පෙර පරිදිම සම්පත් ජයග්‍රහණයක් පස් කර ගන්නවා කොට්ටපුර වංශය. ඉතින් සුබ පැතුම් සම්පත් ඔබට.
මේ තෑග්ග මට කියලා
Okay, so